And this is the problem I've got at the moment with it, in that despite the track being clean, despite the loco working perfectly on DC, it seems to stutter with the DCC sound. And I've taken it apart and I've put it back together again. I can't see anything wrong with the pickups. It's sometimes it just needs a little nudge, sometimes just a tiny amount of pressure on the loco or on the tender will reconnect it almost. But there seems to be no rhyme or reason. If you've got any ideas, please leave a message in the comments, because I'm really puzzled as to what's gone wrong here and how to fix it, because it's a lovely engine and sound adds so much to the layout experience.